Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have a new unboxing. Yep, this is the Cooler Master, make it yours, MasterBox MB500. And here how it looks, the box before the unboxing. Together we are going to unbox, reviewing and testing this box. Let's take a closer look. Okay, we've got a Gigabyte RGB Fusion Read, MSI, ASRock and ASUS synchronized. Inside we are going to find an RGB controller. And let's open it to see what we have inside. And of course, to test this box, I'm going to install all the parts inside: motherboard, CPU, water cooling, power supply and everything. Seal it. It's a bit difficult to take it out, but if we're going to manage to do, is the proper way to do it. Okay, nothing inside, and here is the box. Okay. Chamber glass. Voila. Okay. And voila. To the chamber glass. Very nice. Let's take a closer look. Inside we'll have some manuals and we'll see what is included inside. 3 RGB fans included in the box. We have a magnetic mesh for the fans. And a beautiful tempered glass. 2 screws for the tempered glass with rubber. Let's take it out. Very easy. Tight. Be careful, this is a tempered glass. You don't want to solder it. Here are the screws. Well, let's take a look inside. Inside we have the back RGB fan, 2 RGB fan in the front, the installation for the motherboard, ATX, micro ATX. You can put all the motherboards here. As I said, ATX, micro ATX and mini ATX. In front, you can install a radiator from 120 to 360. You can install another fan, 120 or 140. That means you can install 3 fans in the front, and definitely you can install another 2 up here with this mesh for the dust. Inside We have some cables, zip ties. USB 3, HD audio, and for the power. Inside here we have the RGB controller. If you don't wish to install it into your Asus or MSI, whatever sync RGB you've got. We have some for the cable management and some screw for the motherboard, hard drives, and etc, etc. Let's open behind to see how it looks from the behind, to see if there's enough space for cable management. And back here we are going to see how to install our power supply. It's very easy, very helpful this way. Let's open it. This is for the RGB. It goes directly to your motherboard. Let's see a closer look. Three RGB, and here it will connect it directly to your motherboard. Please see the specs for your motherboard, how much it can handle for RGB. Maybe you need to install some RGB strips. I will do that. Here is the mounting for our hard drive. Here it is for the CPU. Have some rubber. Sorry, for the power supply. We have some rubbers here. Here's the fan that is cool your hard drives and a little bit your motherboard and graphic card. And then in front we have the power button. This is the reset, headphones, microphone, USB 3. We have two USB 3, and here is the LED for the hard drive. Okay, let's take out the front to see how it looks. It's very easy to take it out. Now it's very light. That's very nice because you don't have any cables here and you can take all this out. Here are the fan, the 120 fan RGB. Definitely it will look nice. Connections. Here you can install the SSDs. It's very easy. Just take this metal, bound it to your SSD, and then again screw it with that in your case. Very easy. I don't have an SSD. I have a M2 to my motherboard. And well, guys, that was all the reviewing of this box. It's time to install our parts. I will do it in a fast forward. Definitely it will look nice, and in the end we're going to see how it looks, this beautiful box. Well, here it is. It's ready. It's ready to see what we have. Let's push the button. Oh, voila! Front. How it looks here. First, we have the green light as is booting my computer. It will show more. The RGB has been connected down here in my motherboard. And let's see some of my parts. Here is the Asus motherboard. We have the Gigabyte graphics card with the LED. Here is the back fan. Down there is the Corsair NVMe. We have the RAM Corsair. Here we have the green liquid. It is a custom water cooling. The custom water cooling is only cost about 15 to 20 euros to build it on yourself. Here's the first fan, and down there is my radiator that is cooling from front, from the two fans that we have. Yeah, Cooler Master inside the Asus and Intel i5. Very nice temper glass. Feels very strong. All the box is very durable. I have installed some more LEDs around of the case inside, and that makes the case very bright and very light. Well guys, that was all the unboxing and testing, installation and reviewing of this Cooler Master MP500. Thank you again for watching of this long video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice, but definitely hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye. Well, just can't stop looking this. It's beautiful.